Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 7th. Let's take a peek at our daily planner. In language arts, we have some live learning today at 11 a.m. and we also have some new learning. We're going to begin Module 1 and we are actually going to start our novel, Bud Not Buddy. So please be prepared today by having your novel, Bud Not Buddy, and your workbook that was provided to you for Wit and Wisdom. Make sure that you have that ready to go. We're going to use both of those today in language arts, so make sure you have those. Also, just a quick FYI, we are starting a new Module 1 digital journal, so I'm going to show you a new way to start up that journal. We'll do that all in language arts. So your Mod 0 journal should be done, completed, your response journal. If you're still working on that, make sure you can always locate that checklist to help you from yesterday. It has everything on it, so you can use that checklist to help you make sure you have all the things you need in Mod 0 journal so that you're ready to start fresh today in a new response journal. In math today, no homework, so just make sure that you are caught up all the way from 311 and actually to 322. I'm going to change that too in the review previews, but we are not having any new homework because we are going to continue on with lesson 322 that we left off on Tuesday. In social studies, you're going to continue on. You should have completed 3 assignments this week. Good job. I'm noticing a lot of you turning your work in. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm trying to keep up in the grade book with that. I also completed, actually for social studies, I just completed correcting your chapter 5 assessment, so you can go ahead and take a peek at those. If you have any questions, let me know. I can go over that with you as well. Let's see. So we are going to add a new assignment 4 for Thursday, so make sure you add that to your list. And then lastly, we are meeting live with Mrs. Golanowski today at 1 o'clock. Plan on a 45-minute lesson, and she's going to go over the last couple assignments with you. So she's going to, like I said, we're going to take a look at January 5th learning and January 6th learning Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but there's no new assignment. Just join us in science today at 1 p.m. It's a pretty quick and easy day, hopefully. I'm excited to see your faces, so I will see you this morning at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. All right, have a good day.